This is far from a record high in terms of pricing. The optimism of the people is dwindling. Some awful catastrophe occurred while this growing sense of unpredictability was unfolding. It became much worse after that. Nevertheless, we may have been in need of this for quite some time. More and more people are getting into cryptocurrency with the mindset of a gambler. Coins are bought and sold at random by them. Any decent cryptocurrency project's organic development is utterly stifled by it. However, how is Blackrock involved? And why this might be the watershed event in the history of cryptocurrency? Okay, I'll try to clarify. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. As of late, the crypto world's enthusiasm has been waning. There were no major changes or exciting new advancements, and everything appeared to be moving at a snail's pace. Even terrible things started happening today. Crypto exchange traded fund, ETF, companies like Blackrock have reported. They also weren't attractive. There have been withdrawals for 8 days in a row. What this indicates is that investors have started withdrawing their capital. Instead of inserting it, there is great significance to this. It exacerbates the already pervasive sense of crypto's lack of movement. A general downturn has occurred as a result of capital fleeing Ethereum ETS. These outflows, together with the dearth of fresh energy, have further dulled an already drab market. Other cryptocurrency ventures, like Shiba Inu, will undoubtedly feel the effects of this. Despite the general pessimism, the Shiba Inu has discovered cause for celebration today. Embracing its link to the canine world, Shiba Inu has always had dog-themed branding. This joyous occasion is in perfect harmony with the token's essence and garners some favorable notice. This type of participation may reawaken community interest and excitement, even in a dull market. It's a little something to keep in mind about the one-of-a-kind charisma of Shiba Inu. Therefore, the crypto market as a whole may be sluggish. At the present, Shiba Inu is trying to liven things up and maybe increase its market presence. But what's important is how Shiba Inu is now creating a stir. These days, the Shiba Inu is all the rage. Into the Block, an on-chain platform, has recently seen a dramatic increase in whale activity involving Shiba Inu. Significant Shiba Inu trades have surged in the last day. As a whole, these trades have reached an astounding 1 trillion Shiba Inu, which translates to a value that has increased from about $19 million to over $21 million. For context, these 69 large-scale deals averaged around 20 billion Shiba Inu, or about $300,000 each. Large transactions are defined as those that surpass $100,000 according to Into the Block's criterion. At the moment, we're seeing deals that are far larger, about 3 times that amount. The recent fluctuations in Shiba Inu prices may be better understood in light of this upsurge in whale activity. A deeper comprehension of the token's present performance is provided by the increasing purchasing and selling by major investors. The recent significant increase in the price of Shiba Inu is directly attributable to this. This increase was followed by a little sell-off, which resulted in a slight decline. But buyers came back in spades, sending prices soaring briefly until they leveled off. It is common for there to be a rush in purchasing activity when prices fluctuate sharply. A sudden spike in price is often a sign that big players are getting involved. The fact that the Shiba Inu market is witnessing more activity lends credence to this theory. The attention of the bulls and whales is clearly focused on the Shiba Inu. The fact that the price of Shiba Inu has jumped by 14% in the last 7 days is proof of this, according to on-chain statistics. We don't know how much longer this upswing will last. At least for the time being, however, Shiba Inus are all the rage again. And now for something crucial. Do you recall the 8 days when Ethereum ETF funds left the market? However, things changed drastically when we include Bitcoin. The current bull market cycle for Bitcoin is exceeding all others. It is astounding. The current bull run in Bitcoin is surpassing both the 2015 and 2018 cycles, according to a recent article on X. As a result, many investors are taking notice of the strong rising momentum. The performance demonstrates how unpredictable the cryptocurrency market can be. Bitcoin is creating waves and establishing new norms, even if certain places are failing. The current condition of the crypto market is shown by the difference between Bitcoin's strong success and Ethereum's recent outflows. The fact that Ethereum ETFs are experiencing volatility despite Bitcoin's continued growth demonstrates that not all markets are doing well. This might mean that the present withdrawals of Ethereum ETFs are really a temporary setback on the way to bigger profits. Also, this is rather intriguing. The lack of excitement in the market is something that anybody who has been following the price charts recently has likely noticed. There was regular excitement and dramatic fluctuations in the market not long ago. Seeing the ups and downs unfold day after day was exciting. This is now a different scenario. There have been no big price changes or spikes, and the market seems to be in a boring trend. For investors who loved the excitement of daily changes, this change might be very irritating. After all the upheaval recently, the present calm may seem like a disappointment. So, what's causing this to occur? A user on X, nevertheless, provided an illuminating answer. They brought attention to the fact that the market is now experiencing an era when the majority of participants are committed for the extended period. Price fluctuations in the near run don't worry them as much. As we've seen in 2017 and 2021, interest and enthusiasm tend to surge in the years leading up to local peaks or when Bitcoin experiences substantial gains. However, there are times when these extended periods of stagnation are beneficial. They are useful for identifying and removing traders and investors who are too emotional, such as those that trade in response to minor news events or price fluctuations. Those who are part of the newest crop of crypto investors will find this to be particularly true. In their haste to get in, many of these newbies treat cryptocurrency like a slot machine. Because of this, there has been a great deal of volatility, and some cryptocurrency ventures have struggled to gain traction. Seems like the market could use some peace and quiet right about now. By weeding out the speculators and short-term thinking, it may help the market establish a stronger base in the long run. Everyone may benefit from this setting more in the long term. This could already be the case for a lot of cryptocurrencies, Shiba Inu included. However, Bitcoin and Ethereum must take the lead if there is to be continuous development. This brings us full circle to what we discussed before with Ethereum ETFs. Even while the recent ETF withdrawals from Ethereum may seem to be a setback, the overall market situation indicates that we may be entering a consolidation period. Once the market recovers and key cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and Bitcoin show more strength, this may pave the way for a new upward trend. When it comes to Ethereum, many believe that a big bull run may be just around the corner if the withdrawals from Ethereum ETFs stop. The reason for this is that Ethereum has the potential to have a market valuation of $3 trillion, according to some estimates. The market capitalization of Ethereum is now above $334 billion, which is about a tenfold increase. In November 2021, when Ethereum was at the height of its bull run, its market value momentarily exceeded $500 billion. If the market capitalization of Ethereum were to reach $3 trillion, it would indicate a significant surge in its price. The whole cryptocurrency market might be affected by this type of expansion. But what effect will this have on Shiba Inu? Shiba Inu has a track record of success throughout larger positive periods in the cryptocurrency market. Shiba Inu will probably reap the rewards of Ethereum's increasing velocity as well, should it achieve its lofty goal. Considering its present pricing, Shiba Inu stands to benefit a lot if the market is propelled forward by Ethereum's rise. This has the ability to catapult Shiba Inu to unprecedented levels, maybe even higher than its earlier records. In this case, Shiba Inu would accomplish an unprecedented feat, increasing its market valuation to around $81 billion. On the other hand, if Ethereum's market value hits $3 trillion, Shiba Inu might see even bigger profits. In most cases, Bitcoin has a market valuation that is almost 3 times larger than Ethereum's. Thus, Bitcoin's price may reach around $500,000 per coin if Ethereum's worth reaches $3 trillion, bringing the total to over $10 trillion. Shiba Inu and other meme currencies might explode in value in this market. The Shiba Inu market saw a meteoric rise during the last bull cycle, and with the current upturn, there is a good chance that prices will continue to rise. So, what are your thoughts on the matter? Submit your thoughts in the space provided. Your comment would be much appreciated.